We are Patient Friends Benevolent Society Hospital. We used to suffer from electricity shortage. For us in the medical center, it is a big problem to have a power cut even for a couple of seconds. The electricity used to be cut off from the vital departments in the hospital. Like it could be cut off from the operation rooms during the operations, maternity wards, emergency departments. So we looked for an alternative energy source. Before using an alternative energy, we used to use generators to replace the shortage. Some of the departments completely switched to solar energy, like operation departments, laboratories, maternity wards. All of these departments switched to solar energy. When we decided to install alternative energy, we contacted different companies, and in our point of view, Megapower is the leader in the field of alternative energy. It saved us from crisis and solved our big problem regarding electricity. We are guaranteed to have electricity continuously. Also, it saved us from using the generators because the solar energy gives us 50 kWA, which is the same as the large generator to cover all the hospital departments during the daytime. The installation process went great. Also, now we are saving costs because we are not using generators like before. After 8 p.m., the entire association switches to the solar energy. No generators are used after 8 p.m. And that is all because we have solar energy. The electricity is provided to all the sectors of the center continuously, 24 hours per day. We are now providing light and electricity for the vital parts of the station. And thank God we are now in much better condition than before having solar energy. After the installation, we're having more comfort, we're saving money, and our work became normal without any power cut problem.